Guys, so I got a new product. This is definitely a really big company, so I wanted to get you guys this company. It's called Joying. It's one of the most popular brands on Amazon, and it's also one of the most popular just in general in the United States. At least they have really good customer service. They release a lot of good stuff. So I just want to talk about Joying right now. So the box came in an Amazon box, and this is with box within a box. Now the packaging, ooh, I guess it goes something like this. Pretty nice. It has this cool greeting card with QR codes. Thank you for supporting and trusting Joying. 14 years development and experience. And then you get the automotive navigation system. So this is an Android head unit after all. Now we got the good foam. I like to call it the good foam. It's not like styrofoamy. It is like just foam, doesn't flake off or anything. And then you have the unit itself. So the unit right here has pull it out. So the unit itself is, there's no screen, you can tell it right there. But let me just put that to the side. You have various harnesses. So you have the GPS harness. You have, looks like microphones and brackets right here. And it comes with additional clips. You have another harness, I'm not sure what that is. This is a Wi-Fi antenna. It's really big and you can really get the maximum signal out of it. A universal cable. And separately in the box is the LCD. Here it is right here. It's nice. Now this is a universal head unit. This will fit a double DIN setup. Now I know a lot of people definitely like to have the universal setup because it's so, it works with many different types. So I'm going to be testing that and giving you my feedback. Pull that out right here. Ooh, it's well packaged with more good foam. Very well packaged. They did a great job. And then you have a screen size something like this. So let me unwrap this right here. Oh, look at that. So there's still plastic covering the outer rim. Now this feels very substantial. The other units I had, the screen was made more plastic. This one feels like the outer trim is still plastic, but then it has like a metal polished bezel, like an actual real metal polished bezel right here that goes around, and it has some weight to it. It feels dense. The back of it has some ventilation holes as well as some clips to really secure this onto here. What that means is you're not going to have any tilt functions or swivel or anything like that. So let me just kind of get that set up right quick. Alright, so here is the unit itself. It's kind of plain, boring. Just the normal textures you're kind of familiar with. In the back you have a bunch of ports, subwoofer, line out, right, left audio. This one has video out too, and you have antenna, GPS, Wi-Fi, and of course the main harness we were talking about earlier. As well as, let's see any other things. We have USBs right here. You have one. This is some kind of antenna, I'm guessing for Bluetooth or something. Another USB right here, and you're gonna have a SIM card slot that's built in right here. So what's really cool is you can put a SIM card in here and you can get data off your unit, which is really nice. You don't have to buy any adapters. You can just put a SIM card. Now there's some free SIM cards you can get that gives you free internet for 2 gigs a month. I think Freedom Pop or something like that. If you guys were looking to have free internet, it's like 2 gigs a month, but you know, it's free. And then this is kind of the setup with it plugged in, attached to the front. Now I really like the widescreen aspect, and yeah, it's gonna look something like this. I'm not gonna fully clip it in, but it's gonna look something like that. Anyways, so that concludes an unboxing. Stay tuned for me to install this on a car. And this will definitely work on anyone's car because it's the universal head unit. The screen is actually not too big, so it shouldn't block any vents. That's what I'm gonna figure out too. But yeah, keep in touch and you'll see a video on more Android head unit contents like SIM cards and stuff like that. Definitely want to test out something like that. Thanks for watching. Peace. Real quick, when I got the products too, this ribbon cable was inside of it, so I had to fish it out. And that's just something I'm talking about. So, I mean, you need this ribbon cable so you can connect it to the TV or the screen. And it can really lock down with these little clips right here. So, do bam, and it clips on real good. But remember, the ribbon cable that I got, maybe you guys won't have this issue. It was actually in here, so I had to fish it out. So it was like something to keep in mind. Oop, I got some fingerprints on there. But yeah, this is pretty exciting.
Let's do it.